Now let's head on to the inside. This door is older, but it's in good condition, so it'll stay. There's tile in this entrance. It's overall in good condition, but it will be removed along with most of the flooring in the house. I don't know if you can see it here, but there was an opening arch. Yeah, maybe there you can see it. There was an arch there from the other room. So here's the family room. But there was an arch there opening to a formal dining room or a den. Here you can see it better on this side. And that will be removed and reopened. We will remove all the blinds. We will install new flooring. All of this existing wood flooring, overall it's in good shape, but there's so much that is damaged that it's actually cheaper, better, faster, quicker just to replace it all. There's a couple pieces of broken glass. We will obviously fix that. This area, this flooring looks like tile, but it's actually not. It's a masonite flooring product that looks like tile. This also will be removed. Overall, the kitchen has granite countertops. The cabinets are overall in good condition. The bottom of that under the sink, which is very common, we will put new plywood over that. And we will paint and clean up the kitchen, install a new faucet, because there's no faucet there. And over here, there's a water line for the refrigerator, but we will actually put in a box with a water shutoff for the ice maker line. Going over here to the laundry room. Laundry room has the original cabinets that are original brown. They were not painted, but they're in very good condition, so we will leave those. As you can see, people leave a lot of garbage in the house. This drain will need to be replaced, and obviously somebody was about to do it at some point because they left the parts here but never got around to do it, so we will finish that job. Obviously the red color will go, the blinds will go. We will also replace light fixtures, trim, whatever else needs to be done. Clean up the windows, clean up the fireplace. Over here, there was obviously a plumbing problem. There's something weird going on here, which I haven't been able to figure out. You have a pipe going inside a pipe that's not connected. All the work seems to be professionally done except for that. And I can't understand why somebody would do such a professional job, but then just stick a pipe inside a pipe, unless he didn't finish. But odd enough, I've turned on the water and it doesn't leak. So I don't know what to do with this one. I was originally going to cut the pipe and see what happened and pull it out. But at this point, if it's not leaking and it's holding pressure, I'll double and triple check. But if it is, I'm leaving it. I can't figure out why it would be that way. Going on, as you can see, the house is dirty. The house needs work. But overall, the house is in good condition. I mean, it's not terrible. It needs flooring, paint, cleaning, some repairs, a lot of baseboard moldings. I don't know why all the baseboards have been removed, but they have been, which makes little or no sense. And for some odd reason, they cut the door trim, as you can see here, almost as if it was going to be above, as if the baseboard was going to go underneath, but that's not proper. So we will actually remove that trim, rebuild that door frame so the door trim actually goes down to the floor like it's supposed to. We'll obviously fix that door. All the AC vents that you see throughout the house, those will be removed and replaced with new ones. Here's another room, same issue. This floor will be torn up. That little storage box will be removed and discarded. Blinds will be taken down, all the holes will be patched. Also in this house, one of the reasons why we purchased it, and one of the reasons that you should look at when you're buying a home, especially for a flip, is what condition are the kitchen and baths. This bathroom has, it's the old vanities, but it's got new granite countertops, a new sink, the faucet's fairly new, it's got new light, new mirror. The tile flooring is in good shape. You go into here, the tub was recently redone, right? So it's in good shape. May need to be cleaned and refinished or sprayed the tub, but overall, this bathroom is in good condition. So that expense of the bathrooms, and bathrooms are expensive, we will not have to deal with. Going this way, I'll show you the water heater, which is also about 20 years old, which is rather impressive for a water heater to survive that long and be in service that long. So that will be replaced even if it is functioning. And this is the existing air handler furnace. That thing, you can just tell by the color, green it is, that it's old. That thing's probably the original furnace. That'll be changed with the outside unit at the same time. And it'll be a 15 or 16 SEER unit, which is much better rating than anything that's been built since '75. Walking into the master, overall it's in good condition. As you can see, it needs some more flooring and it needs some paint and some holes filled. But overall, it's in good condition. Try to do it this way so you can get a better view. But overall, it's in good shape. Now, let's go to the master bathroom. Here in the master bathroom, again, you got a cabinet, the toilet. The shower is definitely dirty, but it is in good condition. They did redo the sink and put granite and a new faucet, so that'll stay. That's in good condition. The vanity over here, there's 2 vanities in this room, has also been upgraded with the granite. The cabinets need to be painted and cleaned up, but overall it shows very well. The tub over here, obviously there's something going on with the shower body, so we will change the trim out. We will also change the trim. We'll check the valve, make sure it's functioning as required. And we may refinish this tub to keep it clean and make it look new. But overall, that's minor and easy stuff. Go to the master closet. It's in good shape. It needs to be painted, but overall, it's in good condition. I will note that there is a door missing here. So we will retrim that out and put in a bifold door. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to try to back up so you can. So that door that's next to the shower leading into the master closet is missing. We will install a new one and trim it out like the other doors.